Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Colorado. Whether you're downtown or off-road, this truck provides torque and efficiency no other mid-size pickup can match. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Bluetooth streaming audio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth, air conditioning, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, electronic shift on the fly, and V6 engine. Edmunds.com reports it has the size, the features, and the looks necessary to become the dominant truck in the compact class. Just don't mistake it for a midsize. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Hall Automotive. More cars. Great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads.